remember the first time I came here, like, what, 30 years ago? I was so mesmerized. All the palm trees. And then I went to the ocean and I dipped my foot in the ocean. This was the place to be. It was a fun place. No. See, this used to be the bar we used to go to. It used to be the Dream Street, and then before that, the Red Garter, and now it's Mother's. Mother's Saloon. Too funny. We're gonna head down to Newport Avenue and maybe go take a look at my old apartment. Well, I think these roads need to be redone. Saratoga Avenue. Well, that's where I used to live, right there, my friends. It sure does look beaten up. It's here anymore. So this is a strip of Ocean Beach. Rudy is enjoying the smells. What time do you open? 2? Oh, noon. Oh. Okay. This is Cheswick's. This is my old stomping grounds. This is where me and Jay used to come. I don't know if you were around then, but... No, Rudy? Yeah. Well, definitely come by for a beer. You have what? Yeah. Hey, is Dean still around?
Passed away May 20th.
I'm glad I got to see him. I was here last year.
Good.
Yeah, I got a picture. Got a picture together and stuff. Yeah.
It was
Oh, okay.
It was horrible.
So who took over? Are you the daughter?
I've worked for him for 37 years, so he was like my dad.
Oh, so did he give it to you or? Wow. Wow, he must not have had any family then.
A brother?
Yeah.
His brother didn't want it.
Ah.
And he asked him, if I give you the bar, what would you do with it? And he said, sell it. He didn't want that. He wanted it to continue.
He wanted, yeah.
It's always nice.
Oh. And this store used to be Dream Girls. It's still Dream Girls. 20, 30 years later, it's still Dream Girls. That's funny. Where we going, Rudy? Huh? You gonna go for a walk on the pier? That's a long walk down there. The walk down there. I remember when my son was, maybe 5 years old. It was the cutest thing watching him walk down with his hot chocolate in his hand and his little paper he was reading. Kind of reminded me of an old man walking with his coffee. And we used to go down to, down at the end there was a little place where they had like a little band and stuff, and he used to jam to the music and dance. Wait for that wave. There goes a little one. Oh, we just walked all the way down to Pier, and this is the building
350 feet of it.
where Anthony did all his dancing. What'd you say?
350 feet of it.
Is that what it is? So, let's see. This is fish.
Longest pier.
Huh?
I think it's the second longest pier in the country.
Really? He said it's the second longest pier in the country. Fisher's Landing, bait, snacks, and gift shop. And this is the place that Anthony did all his singing. So now it looks like walking on the water cafe. So right where those people are sitting inside is where the dance floor was. Right where those people are sitting, that was the dance floor. Huh, maybe they turn it into a dance floor at night. Skateboarding dude. Oh, the Black Store. Ah, that's been here forever. That's where you get all kinds of different, well, you gotta say it, marijuana. And a lot of other different things too. The t-shirts and bongs and skeleton pictures and much, much more. That's where we're heading, folks, and we're hungry. Come on, Rudy. So this is the inside of Hodad's, which is pretty cool. I got all these license plates up here. Surfboard. Surfboards everywhere. That, my friends, is the Hodad bus. How cool is that? Stickers all over it. Now that, my friends, looks like a good RV. Yeah, yeah, baby. What do you think? Could you live out of that? I could. So this is the front of the bar, Cheswick's, and yeah, Dean passed away, and I'm having a beer to honor it. I am. Here we go. Here's to Dean. Rudy found a nice piece of shade while we're sitting here having our lunch and our beer. The food will be here soon. I was lucky to get a place where he would stay out of the into the shade and out of the sun. Florida. Where are all these loud noises coming from? Huh? You're not used to that, are you, baby? Stop, Rudy. If you're new to my channel and you enjoyed my video, please click subscribe. And thanks for watching.